Now, who is winning for leadership in developing new energy technologies for sustainable development in the environment, economic and in a social point of view? Always is phrase sustainability framework. Now you see, is new energy technologies. Who is energy guy here? Anyone can guess? Rachid Yazami. Congratulations, félicitations.
Florian, I think I have to congratulate you first for having this opportunity to gather brilliant spirits from all over the world for this event. It's exceptional. What you are doing is just exceptional. Thank you so much. And I would like also to thank my friend, Alain Tressot from Bordeaux, who introduced me to you. And also thank all the people who attended my symposium on batteries. That was very successful, but we hope next year it will be more people attending. Believe me, I would like to come.
By the way, next year is dedicated, I'm announcing, to Professor Vasant Kumar. That's news.
Okay. So I would like also to thank all the organizations where I have been educated, starting by the University Mohammed V in Rabat, Morocco. I'm originally from Morocco. And then the Technological Institute of Grenoble in France. And then I moved to Caltech. I spent 10 years in California Institute of Technology, working with NASA.
Speaking French.
Speaking English and French. And also, I contributed a little bit to the first mission to Mars, where the first time the lithium-ion battery was on planet Mars. That was in 2005.
Excellent.
Okay?
Excellent.
So now I'm in Singapore, and I would like also to thank the Nanyang Technological University for having hosted me for 10 years, and then Mr. President.
We have the president here.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for hosting me. Now I am an entrepreneur, so I am running my own company, preparing for the next generation of batteries for electric vehicles, for medical applications, for space, and so on. So thank you so much. Thank you.
Félicitations.
Merci beaucoup.
So this is a brand new award. This is the first time. What's your name? So we have to rush a little bit because we have a magnificent show coming. You would not believe. We should show some picture of the show coming after this. This is Rachid again. The pictures are because there is a symposium dedicated to him. Not necessarily he knew that is award material. So football, this is the guy that yesterday, when I asked his name to come to the loan, he was watching Morocco football, and he was not there. Just a bit of pictures, bits of life from a scientist and entrepreneur. From Morocco, from Spain, from Morocco, France, Grenoble, Singapore, United States.